Now, Barbara, I know that mulch really helps the appearance of beds around your home, but what are some of the other reasons homeowners should use mulch?
Well, you know, you hear it all the time, Danny, that the best thing about mulch is that it suppresses the weeds. And for those of us who just don't have a lot of time to maintain their yards, it's one of the best time-saving measures that you can do in your yard. The other thing that it does is it keeps the moisture in the ground. So for your plants, it's just wonderful.
Okay, now I see a lot of people using, wood chips that they've gotten from stumps being ground up or sawdust.
Right.
I wouldn't be very comfortable having that up against my house.
No, well, I mean, you're probably thinking about the termites.
Right.
Because it's fresh wood. But from my perspective, another problem there is that as that very fresh wood breaks down, it robs the soil of nitrogen. So it's really important to try and find some mulch that's actually been aged. And if you do, it'll probably cost a little bit more, but you really want to try and use the good stuff.
But it gets expensive when you're buying all those bags, especially if you have a lot of mulching to do.
I mean, I think probably your best bet is to find a company that will deliver it in bulk, and it will be much less expensive, and then you just get your buddies over and you have a mulching party.